Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you my top 5 Christmas add-ons for Bedrock. Firstly, we have an add-on that turns your game into a Wonderland. This add-on comes with new mobs, a bunch of holiday-themed food, powerful weapons that are Christmas-themed, as well as a ton of decorations. You can craft Christmas clothing to wear in-game, as well as open gifts for random surprises. There are different types of gifts with different rarities. There is also a new entity called the Good Elf. If you spawn him in, you can trade unique items with him. There's also a bunch of other features such as glowing trees, new evil elf mobs, and much more. Christmas chests are a must, and Bedrock was missing that until now. Well, with this add-on it does just that, and double chests are now green gifts, single chests are red presents, and ender chests show up as purple presents. This add-on helps make the game a little bit more Christmassy. This changes all music discs to sound more like Christmas music instead. This music is copyright free, and for example, this is what the music disc 13 sounds like. If you want to see what all the discs get changed to, you can see that on the add-on download page. The most important part of Christmas is definitely the food, so this add-on adds just that. You can get a new mob, which is the reindeer, and from that you can get reindeer meat. You can also get a variety of classic Christmas dishes that are placeable, such as ham, fruitcake, cookie plates, and much more. All the recipes to these items are found on the add-on download page. This last add-on is the cutest add-on ever. It adds winter foliage, which changes the colour of leaves to shades of white. However, it also adds sweaters for cats. Whenever you find any cats in the wild or happen to breed some, they appear with their own cute festive sweater. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!